A call with Instagram, and here are some Instagram tips for creators. So they're not going to push your reels to as many people if you use CapCut or have a TikTok watermark. They want you to edit in the app. They said they know that this is annoying. I confirmed, yes, we think this is very annoying because your editing tools are really lacking. They said they are working on it. Okay, next. The algorithm favors those who post to grid every day, which is crazy to me because it used to be 2 to 3 times a week and now it's every day. I don't know, you guys are asking a lot. It is what it is. Next, algorithm favors vertical videos. We kind of knew that. Yeah, 16:9. No black borders. Those aren't going to do as well. Now they only want you to use 3 hashtags, 5 tops, which is also interesting because it used to be 9 was the sweet spot. Next, optimize your caption for search visibility. Hashtags aren't going to get you exposure like they used to. Now it's about your caption. So if you want to do an Italy itinerary, put that in your caption, make it very detailed. The algorithm is going to favor videos that use trending audios. They don't want you using outside music. I let them know that is also very annoying. Basically, they just want you to use their trending audios. The algorithm will show it to more people this way. You can go on to @creators and they have all their trending audios on there. Okay, next, they want you to post stories 6 times a day, 2 in the morning, 2 midday, and 2 at night. I know it's a lot. Next, they want you to do more call to actions in your stories. So do polls, AMAs, etc. And they want you to engage with your audience. So every comment, they want you to be accessible. Engage with every comment right after you post a new video or photo so that it brings people back because they get the notification. Blue check mark, they are not going to make you start paying for it in the US. That is just something that's being tested in another country. I brought this up because I was like, what's going on? Are you guys turning into Twitter? And they were like, no, don't worry. We're not going to charge you. You can keep your blue check mark. So that's all the tips. Follow for more because I have calls with them monthly. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.